Hello friends, let's talk about sustainability. So what is sustainability? Things that keep going can sustain themselves. जो दीर्घकालीन चलती है, कायम रहने वाली, लंबे समय तक चलने वाली. Talking about sustainability, we can take the example of plastic bags. Are these bags sustainable? Obviously the answer is no. Plastic की बैगें sustainable नहीं है. Cause they don't have a future. Then what is sustainability? It is based on three pillars. The three pillars of sustainability are sustainability के जो तीन अविभाज्य अंग हैं उसमें से पहला है सोशल यानी सामाजिक, दूसरा है एनवायरमेंटल यानी नैसर्गिक और तीसरा है इकोनॉमिकल यानी प्रौद्योगिक या उद्योगिक. So the first pillar is social. तो सबसे पहला भाग है वो है social यानी सामाजिक. समाज के लिए like for the people. So how does your company changes lives of the people? The second is environmental or that is for the planet. So how does your company coexist with the nature? निसर्ग तथा planet इस ग्रह के साथ आपकी कंपनी क्या कर रही है. और थर्ड है economical यानी profit. So every business focus on money. But does that lead to long-term success? So ये तीनों people, planet और profit ये हमारे sustainability के 3 P's होते हैं. P for people, P for planet and P for profit. पर ये तीनों P, but all these 3 P, do they lead to anything? These are the 3 pillars of sustainability, but what do they mean? The 3 P are the base of the TPL or the triple bottom line theory. This is a triple bottom line theory. Triple bottom line theory क्या है? तो ये जानने के लिए पहले हम जानते हैं कि bottom line theory क्या है. What is a bottom line? So bottom line is a unit to measure success. Success यानी सफलता नापने का एक जरिया है bottom line. So how much profit your company gets or how much loss your company makes is defined by the bottom line theory. So the very first example of bottom line theory is to check by how much economic growth your company makes. किसी भी कंपनी की सफलता नापनी हो तो वो उसकी औद्योगिक तथा उसकी कमाई से नापी जाती है. So इसे कहते हैं single bottom line theory. This was called single bottom line theory. The next is when you pay attention to the society. आप समाज की तरफ ध्यान देते हो. पैसे के साथ साथ समाज की तरफ ध्यान देते हो तो दोनों चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है. Both these things are important and this theory was thus called as the double bottom line theory. And when you pay attention to both this as well as to the planet, जब आप इन दोनों के साथ अपने इस ग्रह की तरफ, इस निसर्ग की तरफ भी ध्यान देते हो, so टोटल आप 3 चीजों के ऊपर ध्यान देते हो. That is the money, the society and the planet. That theory, that point is called as the triple bottom line. So triple bottom line में हमने 3 भाग पढ़े. एक है economy which is the monetary benefits of a society. The second is the social. When you think about the society या फिर सामाजिक भाग जिसमें आप education और equal growth सभी को समान अधिकार मिलना इस पे आप ध्यान देते हो. That is the social part. And the third part is the environmental part. When you think about natural things or you do things to prevent pollution, जब आप निसर्ग की तरफ ध्यान देते हो, that is the environmental part of the triple bottom line theory. The circle overlapping the economical and environmental is the eco-efficiency. Eco-efficiency as in resources efficiency, life cycle management and produce to services. The second is where it overlaps the economical and social circle is the socio-economic, wherein you see the job creation, skills and security. And the third one, wherein the circle overlaps the social and environmental, is the socio-environmental, which see the global climatic changes. So basically all these 3 things led to sustainability. Just as we saw that the 3 circles are of equal size, similarly they play equal importance in sustainability. The economical factor, the social factor and the environmental factor have equal importance and are equally responsible for sustainability. Sustainability के लिए ये तीनों भाग एक ही महत्व रखते हैं. इक्विटी, एनवायरनमेंट और इकोनॉमी के लिए ये जो 3 चीज़ें रिस्पॉन्सिबल है for the 3 E's, the 3 P's which are responsible for the 3 E's have same importance. So for that we have to reduce pollution, we have to reduce and try to recycle. We need to understand the difference between need and want. हमें किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है और हमें कौन सी चीज़ है जो बस चाहिए, बिना मतलब कि हमें बस वो चाहिए. So we need to understand the difference. So when we compare about which is important, the social factor, the economic factor and the environmental factor, so obviously the social and the environmental factor has more importance because there's this environmental circle on which everything depends on, and then there's the social circle, that is the society which exists within the environment, and the third thing is the economy which is a byproduct of the society. तो अगर देखा जाए तो इकोनॉमी सोसाइटी का एक प्रोडक्ट है, सोसाइटी जो एट द एंड एनवायरनमेंट से ही निकली है. तो सबसे पहले हमें इंपॉर्टेंस देना चाहिए एनवायरनमेंट को, उसके बाद हम देखेंगे अपने समाज को, अपने सोसाइटी को, और फिर हम देखेंगे अपने इकोनॉमी को यानी अपने प्रॉफिट को. सो आवर एनवायरमेंटल एंड सोशल सोसाइटल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स आर द ओनली थिंग फॉर आवर प्रॉफिट. सो यू मस्ट थिंक अबाउट दिस फॉर आवर फ्यूचर जनरेशंस. So there comes the addition to the triple bottom line theory, that along with these three things, if you add one more thing that is for the future generation, इन तीन चीज़ों के साथ अगर आप सोचोगे अपने भविष्य की पीढ़ियों के लिए, then you get the QBL or the quadruple bottom line theory. Thank you.